Alright guys, so this is a 2024 Hyundai Kona, and there is a specific height and distance to adjust the headlight, but this is what we have and we can make it work out. So my distance is about where we at? It's about 2 feet and 10 inches. That's the distance we have, and the height is about 2 feet and roughly 3 inches. Yeah. Yep. So again, nothing wrong with this vehicle, guys. All right, this is the tools we're gonna use, guys. So there is actually an arrow here. If we go counterclockwise, the headlight is gonna aim down. If we go clockwise, the headlight is gonna go up. All right, let's go counterclockwise. See what happens. There we go. Yep, now we gotta put it back. There you have it. Yeah guys, this is how you adjust your headlight on your Hyundai Kona. On the passenger side, it's going to be the same process. Alright, now they are pretty level, but still want to make sure this one is correct height. Okay. Yep. About 2 feet and roughly 3 inches. Same thing here. Okay guys, this is our distance and this is our height if you want to adjust your headlight on your Hyundai Kona. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.